In today's video, I'll teach you how to check recent activity on Android phone. So if you want to check your recent activity, what you have to do is simply launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to access various settings options over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Google. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the Google services interface. You'll be able to see the Google account that you're currently logged into. Right below it, you'll be able to find the option for manage your Google account. If you find that option, tap on it. You can see over here that option is not available for me. So if that option is not available, what you have to do is go back. Now in the settings interface, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for activity. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. You'll be able to find various options. Simply find this option for Google Activity and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll have to choose an account to continue. Tap on the account of your choice. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the Google Activity interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to see your activity across the applications and web, what you have to do is tap on this option, Web and App Activity. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the Activity Controls interface. Simply scroll down. Now tap on this option, Manage all web and app activity that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your recent activities across all the Google applications and services over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find more activities. You can also delete the activity if you want. So like this, you'll be able to check the recent activity. So that is how you check recent activity on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.